Guys, in this makeup look, I am doing another collaboration with one of my friends. Her name is Adaleta, and she's from the Adaleta channel. I will have it on screen and also linked below so you can check out her video. We both used ColourPop. I used the TheBeautyBeau palette for this look, which is a nice palette of pinks and purples. She did a daytime look. I did a nighttime look. If I didn't say that already, I can't remember. I did a nighttime look, so more dramatic, and she's going to do a more wearable daytime look. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I achieved mine, keep watching. So, I'm using a totally different lens. It's not new. I have two other lenses that I never used. I randomly went in Best Buy one day and just bought two lenses just cause. Number one, at the time I was traveling with this camera. This is a really heavy camera, by the way. And I just wanted two lighter lenses. One of them isn't light at all, but by the way, I'm using my Burst Bees lip balm, which y'all know is my favorite for hydrating lips. But yeah, anyway, the lens I'm using is a macro lens, so we're gonna test it out and see. I think I like this one better for up close than my other one. I use my other one for far away. The macro lens I think is really good for eye makeup, so we're going to see. I'm gonna apply some primer. I'm using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. But I have these makeup towels. I always link these down below. I got these from Amazon. They're so good to have handy when you're doing your makeup. They're black, so you don't stain. It's just really convenient if you make a mess, if you need to clean your fingers quickly, clean a brush. It's just great for all of that. And I bought these. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just really love them. You could use a brush for this, but for certain things, I like my fingers. That didn't sound right, now that I think about it. So today, I have not used this palette at all. It's my first time using it. This is the TheBeautyBeau palette. So beautiful. Perfect for the holiday. So my look is a nighttime look. So, and then Adaleta's is a daytime look. Very excited about doing this because y'all know I love dramatic, colorful looks. So she said, can you do the night look? I was like, I'm a little too excited, but yeah, y'all know, okay? So I haven't thought about the look I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do purple. I haven't really experimented with purples. I mean, I have, but I haven't. So I'm first starting with a really fluffy brush. This is a MAC 224, and I'm taking this color called Blue Bird. This color here. Right there at the left bottom corner, and I'm applying this as my buffer shade, so I'm just applying this in the crease on both sides. Dusting that brush off on my makeup towel, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply my brow highlight. I'm using Nesting. It's also in the TheBeautyBeau palette, this matte color here. I'm using the same brush. You could definitely use something different if you wish, but I'm trying to make this easy on myself. Like I said, I'm gonna go dark with this look. So I'm going to take a darker burgundy. It's kind of untraditional, but I'm untraditional. I'm using the ColourPop Joyride Gel Pot. I did use this in a past look and I thought it was gel eyeliner. It is not. I found out that it's an eyeshadow base or primer. So this is what that looks like. It's a dark wine. It's just gonna help keep things dark, which is the look I'm going for. So we're taking a flat synthetic brush and I'm brushing this on my lids. You can use your fingers, but I have long nails, so that would not be cute for me to get this all over my nails and underneath. So I'm going to just brush this. Doesn't have to be perfect. My close this up because I realized it dries very easily, so I'm tightening it up. I'm gonna go into my lid first, directly on top of that base. I'm taking Heron Chic, this color here. Taking the flat brush, a different one from last time. This is just the MAC 242. Nice and flat. Gonna apply that color on the lid. It's just gonna help it's gonna help deepen up that color and also make it more opaque. I'm not really going on the outer V. And I'm blending that up slightly so it's not so harsh. On the outer V, I'm going to take this color called Plumage, or Plumage. This color on the bottom right. I'm taking a stiffer brush, this color here. This brush here, this is a Coastal Scents brush. It's a darker brown, but it's like a darker reddish brown. I feel like it'll complement the look nicely. So I'm applying this on the outer V. And I'm also blending it into the crease. I'm going pretty high up because I do want it intense for nighttime. I'm going back in with that pink, the lighter pink I used in the crease because it's kind of disappearing and I don't want it to go away. And I want to make sure that crease stays pink and also want to make sure everything stays nice and blended. I'm going to take my Becky G ColourPop palette, the Hola Chola. I guess that's how you pronounce Chola. I'm taking this black because I do want that darker. I don't want it to look the same, so I want to deepen it up a little bit on the outer V. Dusting it off and going back with the brown just on the outskirts. And then I'm going back into the crease. You basically want to go back and forth until everything's nice and even. Okay, in the inside, on my crease, in the inner crease, I'm taking this color called Nevermore. It's a shimmery pink. I'm dusting this brush off. You can use a different brush if you want, but I don't want to. I'm going to apply this in the inner crease. It's going to help add some shimmer to it and also help blend out that lid. You can kind of go over it a little bit, but don't go too far down. I'm going back with a lid color, that matte purple called Heron Chic, just to make sure it stays nice and purple and it doesn't go away. You can kind of pack it over that black. Okay, in the tear duct area, I'm going to take one of these pretty glitters, taking Amuse Me, which is this shimmery light lilac. This here. Glittery lilac. I'm going to use a brush. You could definitely use your finger, whatever's easier for you. The brush is easier for me, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm also applying this down here. I'm going to go in with a little more brown highlight color, just because I'm OCD. I'm using the same one I used earlier. It's going to help also make sure this is blended out properly. And then at the highest point of my arch, I'm going to take a light shimmery color. This is Gander. Totally optional if you've already done your brown highlight, but I want to add some pop of shimmer up there. Focus. I'm taking this color here, Gander. And you could use whatever brush you want. I'm taking one I've already used, of course. I'm applying this just at the highest point of my arch. It's going to add a pop of brightness under there. I'm going to apply eyeliner first. You can use a ColourPop one. ColourPop has a black one, but I don't have it in here. Okay, I'm using the MAC Feline Kohl Power. It's really short because I've used it to death. I'm going to apply this on the waterline too. I'm not making this perfect because I'm applying something else on top. But this one's super easy to smudge. That's why I want to use this one. Smudging it out. This shimmery color called Finch. It's a shimmery purple. This color here. You can smudge as low as you want because it is a nighttime look. I'm gonna go extra, and that black is gonna peep out. So. I'm gonna take some eyeliner at the top before lashes, using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner in black. Nothing new, right? I'm gonna tight line too. I don't see my skin, but I don't see dark. And I like to see dark when I'm wearing dark liner. So I'm tight lining. As always, if you're doing this, make sure your pencil isn't super sharp or you will scratch your eye and it will hurt. I'm gonna apply some mascara just to the top I will do the bottom once I'm done with concealer at the bottom. This is pure fully charged mascara. I'm using some Allure lashes. These are pro magnetic. However, I use glue on mine just because I don't like magnetic lashes. I can't get into them. So I put glue on mine. I'm gonna go ahead and get them ready. I'm using just my duo. I'm telling y'all, I've been loving mink lashes so much. These are the faux mink wispies I'm wearing. I may never go back to traditional lashes. I mean, I still have a bunch of traditional lashes that I still need to use, but I'm saying mink lashes are really the bomb. So my lashes are on. I'm going to move on to concealer and bottom mascara. Using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Y'all know this is like my go-to. Now, I'm taking my mascara to the bottom. Now that I think my lashes have dried, I'm just gonna cover my band, my lash band, with some eyeliner. Should be sufficient. I'm taking some foundation using my ColourPop No Filter Sticks, Dark 167W. You can apply it however you want. This is just what works for me. So yeah, just gonna buff that out. Nice and tan now. Gonna apply some highlighter. This is the ColourPop Strobe Globe Luster Dust. Probably can't see that, but it's nice and shimmery. Gonna dump some into my lid just because I will make a mess if I don't. I'm taking a fan brush. This one is from Bare Minerals. It's their light stroke fan brush. Y'all know I love highlighter, so you should expect me to go crazy.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with this gorgeous lip color. Berry tones, super pretty. It's a liquid lip. This is called Cloud Chaser.
I'm gonna use some concealer now. Concealer. Blush. This is the Never Been Kissed Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop. I'm just applying this with this cheap old blush brush. My aunt's got me a brush set for Christmas. I have no idea where she got this brush set from. I don't want to ask her because she's going to be like, oh, I'm trying to figure out how much I paid for this. It's not a kiss at all. These brushes are actually pretty good. I don't know where she got these brushes from. They have no name. Well, actually, Opulent Beauty? I don't know. They're really soft and they're good. Usually brush sets are hit or miss, but this is actually great. So I'm applying this blush with this brush. I had a nude one, but that's kind of boring. I'm gonna do pink. This is ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in On the Grill. I don't think I've ever worn this color. I would recommend setting it with All Nighter if you're going out, or any other setting spray, such as that. I hope you all enjoyed my look, my nighttime look for Valentine's Day, and I hope you will also check out Adaleta's look. She did a daytime look for Valentine's Day, so I can't wait to see what she comes up with. We're both filming this on a whim. I have no idea what she's doing. She has no idea what I'm doing as far as products used, and you know, generally we're doing a day and nighttime look, but we have no idea what we're doing, like what looks specifically we're doing. So I will link her video in the information box also at the end of the video. Don't forget to rate the video, subscribe, click the bell to turn your post notifications on, and I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.